Transform your social media into a cash machine making money online in 2025. What if your phone could make you money instead of just draining your time? In 2025, your social media isn't just for scrolling, it's a business opportunity. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to turn your social media profiles into real money makers. No fluff, just results-driven steps you can start today. Step 1. Choose the right platform. Different platforms work for different goals. TikTok and Instagram Reels are amazing for short-form viral content. YouTube is king for long-form value and building authority. Pinterest drives traffic passively, and X, formerly Twitter, is great for thought leadership. Choose one or two platforms that align with your content style and target audience. Don't try to be everywhere, be effective where it counts. Step 2. Find your monetizable niche. You don't need 1 million followers to make money, you need the right followers. Pick a niche that's both profitable and true to your personality. Think fitness coaching, budgeting tips, digital products, or beauty reviews. Niches like personal finance, health, lifestyle, and productivity are hot in 2025. The more specific you are, the easier it is to grow and sell. Step 3. Build a magnetic personal brand. Your personal brand is your online personality. It should be clear, consistent, and memorable. Use the same color palette, fonts, tone, and bio across platforms. Show your face, tell your story, and speak directly to your audience's pain points and desires. People buy from people they trust, and showing up consistently builds that trust fast. Step 4. Create value-driven content. Want to attract an audience that buys? Give value for free. Teach something. Inspire action. Share tips, how-tos, or relatable stories. Use hooks in the first 3 seconds. Keep content fast-paced, and always include a call to action, even if it's just follow for more. Valuable content makes people stay. Emotional content makes them engage. You want both. Step 5. Choose your monetization strategy. Here's where the cash machine turns on. Monetization in 2025 looks like this. Affiliate marketing, promote products and earn commissions. Digital products, sell ebooks, courses, or templates. Brand deals, get paid to promote brands. Services, coaching, consulting, design, or freelance work. Start with one income stream and build from there. You don't need a huge following to start earning. Step 6. Build and nurture your community. Followers are just numbers. A community is where the real value lies. Reply to comments, ask questions, build an email list or a private group. The more you engage, the more trust you earn, and trust leads to sales. Algorithms love interaction, and so does your bank account. Step 7. Use tools and automation to scale. To save time and stay consistent, use tools. Schedule your posts using apps like Buffer or Metricool. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to draft captions or video scripts. Create a link in bio hub with tools like Beacons or StanStore. The goal is to spend less time on busy work and more time creating impact and income. Bonus tip. Track your analytics and adapt. Look at what works and do more of it. Use platform insights to track what content performs best when your audience is active and where your traffic comes from. Test different content formats, CTAs, and posting times. Growth is a game of tweaks, and the more you adapt, the more you earn. You don't need to be famous to get paid online. With strategy, consistency, and the right mindset, your social media can absolutely become your cash machine in 2025. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, subscribe for more online income tips, and drop a comment if you're ready to turn followers into dollars. Let's build your digital empire.